Hello, my name is Molly Bauer, and I have a question for all of you. Have you ever wondered if there was an alternative when it comes to your overall health or wellness? Whether that be mentally, physically, or emotionally, has it ever crossed your mind that there could possibly be something else that you could use besides all of the universal things that are set forth in front of you? Whether that be pharmaceuticals from your doctor, certain treatments, or certain therapies that you could do? Have you ever just wondered if there was something else you could use? There are many times where you may receive a pharmaceutical and experience horrible side effects, or it doesn't even remotely come close to treating what you were experiencing. And then you're stuck wondering, why did I just invest in this and now I'm worse than I was to begin with? Although there are times that they can help, there are definitely times that they don't. As well as people who go to seek treatment or help find things to cope with whatever they may be experiencing, they're told there's just nothing that we can help you with. And so they're left wondering, what do I do? What step do I take next? I'm just told by a specialist that there's nothing they can do to help treat what I'm experiencing. And so that brings me to something that is an alternative, and that is essential oils. Essential oils have been around for many years, although here recently they have become more popular. Some of you may have heard about them, some of you may have not heard about them, but what essential oils are plants that are taken and broken down and made into an oil. So this means that it can be a large amount of plants that they take to use to make just a small amount of essential oil. Essential oils are so pure and so unique that Dr. Wilson actually speaks about the chemists who are using all types of things to try and recreate essential oils, and they cannot duplicate it. And to me, that's incredible to know, because that's when you truly see that this is something that's so pure and so natural that when they can't create this in their labs, that it is definitely truly pure from the earth. They also go on, Dr. Wilson goes on to talk about the importance of essential oils, as well as the importance of understanding what essential oils are, and when you're purchasing those, to be sure that you're very careful about the labels and things that are listed to ensure that they are actually pure essential oils, because unfortunately there are some who claim to be distributing essential oils and they are not the pure form. Essential oils have many benefits, and I'm just going to touch base on a few, but the main ones that are really important are they help you relax, they help with anxiety, they help with depression, they help with sleep, they help with focus, people with attention disorders. It also helps with your skin. It can help with bruising, scars, blemishes, so on. It also helps with many different types of sicknesses, especially sinuses and viruses and things like that. They also help with people who have autoimmune disease as well as arthritis. They're also very beneficial for cancer patients, and actually, according to a board of experts in cancer treatment, they talked about the importance of essential oils, and they actually stated that as a form of supportive care that can improve the quality of life and reduce stress and anxiety when they were talking about essential oils. And that right there, I think, is so important, because when a patient who's experienced such a horrible sickness can use an alternative when there may not be anything at all, that's really incredible to me, that a board of experts would sit there and say that these can help with overall health, as well as just the stress and anxiety that comes along with that sickness that they're dealing with. There are also many different ways that you can use essential oils for all of these different types of benefits that they can help. The main ways that most apply oils are to the skin. You can mix it with a carrier oil and apply it directly to your skin and massage. You can also inhale. I, for one, love to diffuse oils. You can also steam, put them in a spray bottle, mix with water and spray, so you can inhale it that way. There are also many different types of ways you can ingest oils. You have to be a little more careful about this and understand what oils you're using, and that those oils can actually be ingested. And when you do that, you can mix them with water, hot teas, things like that. You can also apply directly onto your tongue or underneath your tongue. And the University of Minnesota also went on in great detail about different ways to use essential oils. And one thing that they definitely talked about was how important it is to understand the oils and what they're used for when you come to treat those. I just have found so many benefits from essential oils. They have helped me and my family tremendously, which is why I'm so passionate about them. I want everyone who has never heard of essential oils or has heard but has been very skeptical, I want them to understand how they can actually benefit for their overall health. And my dad and brother actually, for example, were two of the most skeptical humans I knew, that were so just thought I'd just gone off my rocker when I started using oils. Yet now they are two of the most, they love oils. They use them all the time. My dad has heart disease as well as type 2 diabetes, and he's noticed an extreme difference in his overall health since he started using oils a year ago. He also, the first time that he ever used a drop under his tongue for his diabetes, which his blood sugar had never been lower than 150. After the first drop of oil under his tongue, it was at 90, which to me is pretty incredible. Also took him back a little bit, but that just shows how pure and how powerful these oils are. My brother, who has celiac disease as well as horrible arthritis, has completely stopped with his medicine and is strictly using oils. They have helped his arthritis tremendously. It's incredible the difference that they have made in his life. For me and my daughter, we use them every day for anything and everything, and I'm so happy to have something that isn't harmful and is something that's just so easy and so natural to use for her, instead of putting things into her body that could really not even have an effect of what I was trying to help with. I hope that all of you one day will try essential oils. I hope that you will research and learn about them yourself and hopefully experience the benefits like me and my family have. Thank you.